Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Today's video, we're taking a look at this Moen High Arc kitchen faucet. Now, this is the faucet right here, and in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about what you can expect when you get it. Now, the first thing I noticed about this faucet is just how nice and high quality it is. You can see just by the finish on this faucet, it is a very premium and a very pristine finished faucet. And I've been very impressed with the overall look of it. I also think it's a nice versatile design that will fit in with a lot of different styles of kitchens. Now, one thing that's great about this faucet right here is you actually have all of your different tubing that will run right down here underneath. And I was actually really impressed with the quality of the tubing as well. It is really strong and braided tubes here, and you also have very durable and very heavy duty mounting screws there. Now, I'm very overall impressed with the quality of this faucet, if you can't tell. But one thing that's great about this faucet right here is that the sprayer nozzle that is attached to the top of the faucet will actually have two different spray modes on it. You have a high power spray, and then you also have your standard faucet. And one thing about that high powered spray is it actually is supposed to be about 50% stronger than your typical kind of spray faucets. It's actually going to be a little bit stronger, so it should be a little bit easier to help you kind of clean things off of plates and dishes and really be able to get the most power out of that kitchen faucet. Overall, guys, I'm very impressed with this kitchen faucet. I think it's a very high quality product, and I highly, highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.